Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 19th of October 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So right now we have gold trading at $1,650 per ounce, right in the middle of the current range. So of course, previously at the beginning of October, gold prices, they found support at $1,614 per ounce before the Bank of England intervened in the market, went ahead with quantitative easing. With that, we saw a slingshot move higher over a 1,100 point breakout within the matter of 1 week, taking the price up to $1,729 per ounce, which, as you know, this is where we banked a windfall amount of profit at the start of this quarter. So essentially right now, we are mid-range. And you know what that means? It means there's nothing to be done when the market is in the middle of the range here. Really what we want to be doing is deploying more capital and snipering in if we do get a break all the way back down towards the 1600s or lower, or if we get another breakout back towards the recent swing highs, breaking back above the 2-month highs. This is where we'll look to scale out of yet again more profit. Very similar here on both silver, platinum, and also copper as well. In fact, copper prices, they've pulled back over 2% over the course of this week. We've got crude oil, which is also pulled back 3% as well. As we get close, of course, towards the end of the month, moving towards the midterm elections and also the next FOMC statement, where there's a lot of expectation regarding the aggressiveness of the Fed for further interest rate hikes. All of this, of course, comes off the back of crisis after crisis, which is providing opportunity on top of opportunity. As you know, during periods of crisis and chaos, this is where you can make a windfall amount of profit in your portfolio in a very short, intense period. Just like we've just done at the beginning of this quarter for October, over 11,500 points profit, 21 trades that we built into on commodities. But you have to be fast, nimble, lock in profits quickly when you do get these slingshot moves higher, because very quickly you can see the rotation back down towards the recent swing lows yet again, which as traders, it's absolutely perfect. This is what you want. You want the current volatility that these markets are presenting. It's not a buy and hold market. If all you're doing in these markets right now is buying and holding, you'll just end up getting crushed. You'll make absolutely no money. The current volatility that we're seeing day to day, week to week in commodities means you can very simply come in and out multiple times, just benefiting from the current volatility and the cycles that are playing out at the moment. Now, as you move into November, there are some very clear cycles to capitalize on. Everything from natural gas to gold to silver to platinum to copper to crude oil to the US dollar. There are many cycles here to capitalize on as we transition into November and also December as well. Obviously, more imminently at the moment, I would be looking out for the midterm elections once you move into the first week of November. And alongside that, of course, the Federal Reserve, which will be the first week of November, which of course is going to provide more massive opportunities for you to capitalize on this current market volatility. What we're seeing out there right now is a lot of traders are just getting chopped up in these markets as we move in the middle of the range. They're not being patient enough to take the advantage of these massive sell-offs that we keep seeing in the markets to then sniper in, benefit from these very quick 3-day impulse moves higher, then get flat again, and then rinse and repeat this whole cycle. It's played out time and time again throughout 2022. Again, this comes down to utilizing real-time data-driven cycles on the daily, the weekly, the monthly, and the quarterly cycles. Alongside that, utilizing data, market intelligence, statistics, further compound that with the narratives, the macroeconomics, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, the capital flows, alongside key areas of liquidity, and of course, align yourself and position yourself alongside the commercials, the hedge funds, the money managers, banks and institutions in the market in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, ditch those outdated technical analysis and gimmicky technical indicators. It's 2022, the age of data. Otherwise, you'll just end up getting chopped up in these markets, and we definitely do not want that for you. So with that, if you would like to join a community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.